If you're looking for the best hydraulic disc brake calipers, you're in the perfect spot. Whether you're upgrading your mountain bike, customizing your gravel road bike, or just seeking superior stopping power, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll explore the top 5 hydraulic disc brake calipers, highlighting their features, benefits, and why they stand out in the market. We've spent hours researching and testing hundreds of options, so you don't have to. These carefully selected picks are designed to meet the demands of both casual riders and biking enthusiasts. Stick around as we guide you to the perfect caliper for your ride. And don't forget to check the product links in the description for more details and the best deals. Let's get started. Number 5. DYISLAND XT7 MTB line Pulling Hydraulic Disc Brake. The DYISLAND XT7 is a robust option for mountain bikers looking to upgrade their braking system. Designed with a line-pulling disc brake mechanism, this caliper is lightweight at 700 grams and offers reliable performance on challenging terrains. Its compatibility with left front and left rear setups ensures versatility, and its oil pressure mechanism adds precision. If you need an affordable hydraulic disc brake for off-road adventures, this model is worth considering. Pros: lightweight, reliable braking for mountain biking, budget-friendly. Cons: limited compatibility outside mountain bikes, basic design. Number 4. ONIRII Hydraulic Disc Brake Gravel Road Bike Flat Mount. The ONIRII BR05 is perfect for road bikes and gravel adventures. Built with CNC machined aluminum, this caliper offers durability and sleek aesthetics. It comes in 140mm or 160mm sizes, making it ideal for various bike setups. The hydraulic disc brake system ensures smooth and responsive braking, while the metal pads provide excellent wear resistance. Cyclists seeking efficiency and style will appreciate this caliper. Pros: durable construction, lightweight, ideal for road and gravel bikes. Cons: limited to specific rotor sizes, not suited for aggressive mountain biking. Number 3. SPEEDONE Soldier 2 4-piston hydraulic disc brake. The SPEEDONE Soldier 2 is a powerhouse for mountain bikers and downhill enthusiasts. Featuring 4-piston oil pressure technology, it delivers incredible braking force of up to 641 newtons. Constructed with 6061 aluminum alloy, it's lightweight yet sturdy, and the cooling pads ensure consistent performance during long rides. With compatibility for disc diameters from 160mm to 220mm, this caliper is designed for demanding conditions. Pros: high braking power, lightweight, excellent heat management. Cons: higher price point, disc not included. Number 2. IIIPRO E4 MTB 4-piston hydraulic disc brake. The IIIPRO E4 offers a combination of power and control for mountain bike enthusiasts. With its 4-piston oil pressure system, this brake ensures smooth, reliable stopping power on steep and technical trails. The 800mm front and 1550mm rear hose lengths make it compatible with most bike setups. Its cooling pads and durable aluminum build make it a solid choice for riders looking to enhance their performance. Pros: excellent stopping power, cooling technology, durable materials. Cons: slightly heavier than competitors, limited to MTB use. Number 1. Juin Tech F1 Bicycle Disc Brake Caliper. The Juin Tech F1 is a premium line pulling hydraulic brake set perfect for MTB XC and road bikes. Made from lightweight alloy, it delivers a balance of performance and ease of installation. This caliper's flat mount design and 160mm rotor compatibility make it versatile for a range of setups. Whether you're riding trails or city streets, the Juin Tech F1 provides consistent braking performance. Pros: lightweight, versatile design, easy installation. Cons: less braking force compared to full hydraulic systems, best suited for moderate use.